Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a file sharing solution with Dropbox, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official Dropbox website. Create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Download section at the top of the page. Select the version of Dropbox compatible with your operating system. Download the installation file. Open the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. After installation, launch the Dropbox application. Sign in with your previously created account credentials. You will be prompted to choose a location for your Dropbox folder. Select a preferred location or stick with the default option. Click on Next to proceed. Once the setup is complete, a Dropbox folder will appear on your computer. To share files, drag and drop the files you want to share into this folder. Right-click on the file you'd like to share. Select Share from the context menu. Enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share the file with. Add a personal message if desired. Click the Send button to share the file. To create a shared link instead, right-click on the file and choose Copy Dropbox Link. You can now share this link via email or messaging apps. To manage shared files, navigate to the Sharing tab on your Dropbox homepage. Here, you can edit permissions or remove access for shared files. For team collaboration, consider creating a shared folder. In your Dropbox homepage, select Shared Folders and then Create Shared Folder. Invite team members by entering their email addresses. Set the appropriate permissions for each member. Click Share Folder to finalize the setup. Once shared, team members can collaborate in real time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.